have a new video. Now I know it has been a while since I've even filmed anything, but yeah, so today is going to be kind of like an update slash room makeover. First of all, I need to say I absolutely love the tapestry that I got. It's on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description, all that fun stuff. On to this video. I'm gonna go ahead and play the room makeover first. It's sped up. It's only like 4 minutes long, so if you want to skip past that, you can. And then at the end, I'll do kind of like the update and where my channel is headed and all that. So go ahead, watch this if you want to, and we'll be back with the update. So now that you have watched that, I do actually want to explain something. My closet only has one door on it right now. I'm trying to work on getting the other one put back on it, but for right now it's just kind of open. You can see my clothes, but I don't have many people coming over anyway. So an update for my channel. I do want to start uploading more frequently. I need to think of like ideas. I have some ideas that I want to do. I have been getting more into art. I used to draw a lot and I'm starting to like do that again, so I kind of want to do like speed drawings, like speed paintings, things like that, as well as my gaming channel, which you'll see I believe in this corner, should be. I do want to upload more frequently on that as well. I haven't been doing like a lot. I also want to try and at least do Twitch at least once a week. I want to start getting back into what I was doing before. Side note, can we just like appreciate the fact that Doctor Who is one of the greatest shows to ever exist? I just wanted to get back into doing the things that make me happy. And there goes my phone. There's, you know, already unprofessional. I just kind of wanted to make this video. I wanted to rearrange my room anyway, so I figured why not film it, why not have that be sort of the transition into getting back onto YouTube. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and hopefully you guys will enjoy things to come. But yes, so this will actually end it for now, but stay tuned because there's going to be a lot more videos. A lot more. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video. Also, look at this arm flap. Anyway, don't forget to like this video. Hit subscribe if you liked it, so you can be, you know, notified of my videos and all of that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!